Hey kinfolk, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making jalapeno popper dip. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need bacon, jalapenos, green onion, diced pickled jalapeno peppers, cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, cream cheese, sour cream, mayonnaise, ranch seasoning, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Begin by dicing 2 jalapenos. Dice 2 stalks of green onion. Chop 4 to 5 strips of crispy bacon into bits. Shred 1 cup of cheddar cheese. Shred 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. In a large bowl, add 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese, 1 cup of sour cream, and 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and mix until smooth. Next, add diced jalapenos, diced pickled jalapenos, green onion, bacon bits, cheddar cheese, and mozzarella cheese. Mix it all together until well combined. Add a pack of ranch seasoning. Season to taste with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Place the dip in an oven-safe dish. Top with mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, diced jalapenos, and bacon. Bake at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. This step is optional, but place under a broiler for 2 minutes to brown the top. And there you have it, jalapeno popper dip. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.